Looking for sump pump installation in Edmonton? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how crucial a reliable sump pump is to protecting your home from water damage. Our sump pump installation service helps prevent basement flooding, mold growth, and costly repairs, keeping your home dry and safe. In Edmonton, with its unpredictable weather and varying soil conditions, proper drainage is essential, which is why our team at Kingstree Plumbing provides specialized solutions tailored to the unique needs of this city. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for sump pump installation in Edmonton.